Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Feng Shui and exploring 15 colors that can bring luck and success in your bedroom, specifically for singles. Let's kick things off with a color that symbolizes power, authority, and leadership, red. While it may not be everyone's favorite color, it's perfect for those who want to take charge of their lives. Next up is green. This color is associated with money and wealth. So if you're looking to boost your career prospects or financial situation, green is the way to go. Blue is another color to consider if you want to attract luck and success in your career. It's associated with intelligence, focus, and productivity. Purple is another great choice. It's the color of royalty and represents wisdom, power, and creativity. If you want to excel in your career or attract new opportunities, consider painting your room purple. Yellow is the color of happiness and optimism. It's associated with joy and good fortune. So why not try adding a touch of yellow to your bedroom? For those seeking love and romance luck in their lives, pink might just be the perfect color for you. It represents love and romantic relationships. Lastly, white symbolizes freedom from difficulties or problems in life. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut or need some fresh new perspectives in your life, try painting some white. Remember, these are just suggestions based on Feng Shui principles. But ultimately, it's up to you to find the colors that make you feel most comfortable and at home in your space. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this one. Until next time, stay lucky everyone.